All right, we're back. Crypto market portfolio breakdown. That's what's on the menu this video. And I'm super excited to talk about three positions that we have right now in place. We just closed out the Ripple because it reached a big key support level that I think is going to break, but that's a different story. We had to take profit, close it out, and wait for the actual breakdown. The story about the Ripple is on the watch list video of today, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, three positions we have right now in place that are doing really well. Let's start with the Bitcoin Cash. We talked about the Bitcoin Cash when it was still trading at the top of 400, and I was speculating that by the end of the week it's going to slide back below 369.4. And that's exactly what happened, right? I was here talking about it last week. Let's take a look at the weekly chart here. Check this out, guys. This is quite amazing. The way price action was pulling back all the way just to close the weekly bar inside of our trading range, official trading range, the blue system. But most importantly, the last line of resistance, 369.4. Take a look at that lovely pullback. And now I expect a downside reversal, right? This is supposed to be a tipping point leading to price action coming back to where it came from. We're talking about the level of 291.20. That is our official target. Stop loss level 415 right now, but it's going to be adjusted. It will be adjusted soon, right? Second position we have is Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. So with the Bitcoin also, we speculated right off the bat, right, that it was going to go south because it started to crack below 8,400 and 400, especially on the monthly chart. Remember we talked about that. Even though it was a tight close below 84,200, the level itself was 84,440, and the official close was below. So even though right off the bat this month it hammered upwards, but it couldn't break above 93,575, that was the key indication that we have more downside potential in the pipeline, and here we are. Now you can see those blue levels right here, these blue dotted lines representing a simple Fibonacci correction map. First level, 38.2, big support key level for correction. I think that's the next stop, right? I think that's next stop, hence our profit target is right there. 73,850, that's the number you want to write down. And is it going to be the last stop? It's hard to tell, right? It's very hard to say. We're going to be taking profit at 73,850 and then taking a break, taking the back seat to fill out the situation with the Bitcoin, because if it wants to continue on this downside trajectory, it's going to start cracking below 73,850, and guess what? That's where we jump back in, chasing the next level, the 50%. Right? The 50% Fibonacci price tag, 62,625, and we'll continue to do so, right? We'll go down those steps if needed. So if the Bitcoin will continue, then the next one 61.8 at 51,680, and then last line of support 76.4, 37,843. That's deep, right? But that's definitely the downside potential. We cannot ignore it. So yeah, that's the case right now with the Bitcoin. I'm actually considering increasing the position here, doubling up. We already took some profit off the table here, so we already accumulated some profit with the Bitcoin itself. Third position I want to talk about is the Chainlink. Here we noticed something very interesting, which was the break below 14.44 with a weekly breakdown confirmation. That's just a couple of days ago, just a day and a half ago. So that's a clear sign. Even though we knew that was going to be the case, we needed to see it. right, to gain that confidence. So doubling up our position size, and we're basically starting to close the distance to the big target at 11.5820. 11.5820, that's the big next significant support key level, and that's our official target. There's nothing else beyond that for us. Once we hit that level, we're out, right? This is how it looks like from the daily perspective. Let's take a look at the crossover yesterday. Also interesting is the comeback on today's session. Price is coming back to test 1444 from below, touching it slightly, and as you can see, bouncing off. Clearly, this is now a resistance level. So yeah, interesting stuff. Stop loss level, I should mention also, is right now at 16.5, but I'm very excited about this position and the rest of the positions we have. So we'll have to come back, follow up. We'll keep you posted. In the meantime, guys, I want to wish you a nice trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.